Well, anyway, so and of course, I'm happy to answer any of your questions because my goal is to help you do your own soil remediation. I kind of like soil remediation, but I should call it soil biology remediation because I extends it more. But it really soil remediation because, for example, Ken and I like to talk about the how the structures are like condos, right?
Yeah.
The army of the soil lives in these condos. Well, that's so when it's destroyed, you want to rebuild it. So you can call it rebuild it, but remediation basically means to me, yeah, you rebuild those condos, right? So it's a whole process of rebuilding the whole structure, the whole system that makes the soil biology work. I like the properties ecosystem because that's what it means. It means everything working together is functioning,
Yeah.
right? That's what, and that's soil biology. That's what you're really trying to remediate, to bring back. But you also have to bring back the condos and the factories, and how they work, all the structures and all the tools that they need to function. Because soil biology by itself doesn't do very much unless it has tools, unless it has a structure to live in. Am I wrong, Kenny boy?
No, you're exactly right. I look at it as just every condo is a cell, whether that's, in the human body, an animal body, or a plant body. Every cell contains different components. And that's where, we use plants for a lot of the remediation, things like, hemp and sunflowers, etc. And that's all that material being put into the cells of the plant and used and then drawn out of the soil. So the condos Andy's talking about, if you're growing a plant, that's a huge trillions and trillions of cells, or condo apartment buildings,
That's right.
and every one of them is full of biology. And it's
That's
the
right.
biology that's moving the materials. It's the biology in the soil, and Andy's exactly right, where the more of those condos you have, or the more cells you have, the more you can draw up both good and bad, components that are there. So we want to make sure that we have all the good components to have these abundant, healthy plants.